Meanwhile, a Bayer Leverkusen player, Leon Baily, has finally signed the offer presented by the Jamaica Football Federation that will take the Reggae Boyz into the next two CONCACAF Gold Cups, the World Cup qualifiers and Nations League games. After several weeks of offers and counter-offers, the JFF and the players released a joint statement in April revealing that they had come to a contractual agreement. But while other players signed off on the agreement, Baily did not. However, in a video release, Baily, along with agent and father Craig Butler, revealed that they were now pleased with the terms laid out by the JFF before putting pen to paper.
The contract and negotiations with the JFF, and we're happy to move forward. Leon is here in Ireland, and glad to be here. So we'll proceed. Leon?
Yeah, so basically me and my dad, we went through the contract and came to an agreement, and it was met, and I'm ready to sign off with the Jamaican national team, and I'm really looking forward from this day on to the World Cup and to the future of the Jamaican national football team.